Hey, welcome back to part 3. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like button, notification bell, links down below in the description. And you know, I hate this camera because it just keeps cutting out every single time I do a video. When I get to the best, the good part, it just goes bleh and cuts out. I hate that. But anyway, as we're saying, he doesn't really have a face. It's kind of weird. Here on the box, you could see his face, but in person, he kind of has a face plate covering up his face. Kind of like, you know how Optimus Prime would have that face plate whenever he goes into like serious battle mode? Or as we can see here, kind of like with Sisgun, how he has like that little face plate versus, you know, something like, I don't know, let's say Skytread, where you can actually see his nose and mouth and stuff. So yeah, there's that going on. Posability, arm rotation, arm out, leg forward, leg back, legs to the side, no head swivel or anything. Now this kind of pops off, I'm guessing. I guess he can hold it in his hand. Or not in his hand, but yeah, he can kind of hold it to the side there. Which, by the way, let's get a size comparison between some of these fitters here. So, let's see. Facebook, you gotta shut up. I don't care about you. I think that's right. Yeah. So, let's kind of get him to stand somewhat. So yeah, we have Deluxe Class War for Cybertron Siege Quad, Deluxe Class War for Cybertron Siege Skytron. Then we have Battle Masters from War for Cybertron Siege here and here. And then we have Times Return, Deluxe Class Hot Rod. Then we have Transformers, Times Return. Facebook, stop it. Times Return Target Master. Then we have the Pretenders, which Pretenders did the same thing, you know. You just pop off the part from the back of them, and you just snap it in their hand. So it's kind of cool that they're kind of doing the same little trick that the Pretenders did. But yeah, let's move some of these characters out of the way, because we don't need them anymore. Let's get to the instructions, which I don't know why they folded instructions like this instead of folding them like, you know, like this, but anyway. Not exactly sure how this goes on. I think it goes on like this. Yep. Okay, so it does go on like that, where you want the little pad and socket to be towards the back. So how do we transform him? There's a little tab on his foot. You just tab the foot together. Which, yeah, they don't really want to tab. Place this up over his head. Turn him over like this. Bring his feet up and over, which, you know, they kind of tab into those little slots there. But this one actually tabs in pretty good. And then just take the little tabs there and tab them into the shoulders. Wow, this one actually works the best. I mean, who was it? Fire Driver or Fire Drive. He doesn't really tab in that great. Lionizer was okay, but here's his effect part, kind of like this shooting effect part. So you carry like two ways, like it's shooting out, which saying goes on the big one, like this. So you kind of have like a pew pew shooting effect. Let's kind of give it to him. So see, kind of looks like he's going to blast him. And then you can take this part off, and how do we attach this? I'm not really sure, but I'm just going to try to attach it to a hole here. No, it doesn't go on any holes. It looks like we have to take this one off. And there's like a little teeny tiny pad there. And this just pads on like that. So kind of looks like he just got shot kind of right by the wrist in the forearm. Which it kind of looks like an impact. Which is okay. I mean, if you put it on for like a jet thruster, it'll look a little bit better. Definitely when it's shooting out, it has that nice shooting out effect. I love it in this effect mode when it's on the weaponized target master gun mode. But when it's like the impact mode, like let's say for example, see how COD has that little nub right there? Not that great of an effect. More powerful effect, but it's nice. And now these little effect parts, they're translucent color, and they're made out of soft, rubbery plastic. You see how I'm bending that tip? Yeah. But yeah, not bad, not bad. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy TFC, not TFC, what was it? WFC dash S3 Battlemaster, aka Target Master, Decepticon Blowpipe. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. All links to Toy Wiz and Toy Hats